Hello and welcome. My name is Seth Marshall, and I am a certified public accountant here at the accounting firm Baum, Smith & Clemens. Today I'm here to talk to you about upcoming changes to the Pennsylvania online presence as it relates to business taxes. Now, currently, business taxes are conducted through Pennsylvania's system known as ETides. But for anyone who's logged on to the site recently, they may have noticed a pop-up indicating that there's going to be some changes coming here in November 2022. Now, for those who haven't, the pop-up simply indicates that the ETides system will be retired in November of 2022 and moved to the platform known as MyPath. Currently, the MyPath platform is servicing individual, fiduciary, as well as certain other tax forms. However, it's the state's intent to expand the usage to include all Pennsylvania tax filings. This would include those currently on the ETides system. If you're curious or have any questions, feel free to access the state's website, which includes user manuals for the new business platform. And if you have questions in addition to that, feel free to reach out to our office and we'll see how we can help you. Thank you for your time. We'll see you next time.